Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build an affiliate site with Amazon step by step clearly. To build an affiliate site with Amazon, start by choosing your niche. Research potential niches that interest you and have good market demand. Evaluate the competition in your chosen niche to ensure it's viable. Once you've selected your niche, proceed to create a domain name. Choose a domain name that reflects your niche and is easy to remember. Register your domain through a reliable registrar service. Next, select a web hosting provider to host your affiliate site. Consider options like Bluehost or SiteGround for reliable service. After securing hosting, install a content management system like WordPress. WordPress offers flexibility and a wide range of themes suitable for affiliate marketing. Pick an eye-catching theme that aligns with your niche. Customize your theme to ensure it looks professional and user-friendly. Now, create essential pages such as Home, About, and Contact. These pages help establish your credibility and provide information to your visitors. After setting up your pages, sign up for the Amazon Affiliate Program. Create an Amazon Associates account to gain access to their affiliate tools. Explore various products relevant to your niche available on Amazon. Choose products that offer decent commissions and align with your audience's interests. Now, add high-quality content to your site. Write product reviews, comparison articles, and informative blog posts. Incorporate affiliate links into your content strategically. Use compelling calls to action to encourage readers to click your links. Include images and videos to enhance your content and engage visitors. Optimize your site for search engines using SEO best practices. Focus on keyword research to identify terms your audience searches for. Optimize your content by including these keywords naturally. Ensure your website loads quickly and is mobile friendly. Promote your site through social media channels and online communities. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.